Hello, people. How are you? First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Lemberg Venâncio. I work as a Salesforce and studio architect in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. I've been working and teaching at the same time OmniStudio about 2 years. I noticed that many people in Brazil and see that all over the world don't have so much knowledge and so much information about this tool. And I decided to teach it more or less in parallel with time that I was learning. Learning. To, it was a very interesting chance to improve myself. So today starting a new project in English. I have some another project in Portuguese because of it's my mother language, and I like to share some information in all my people here in Brazil. But I receive so many content, so many information from international community. I want to um, say thanks and also try to help. Okay, so let's go. The idea of the project is to explain how to implement this object. The flex card. What I can see all opportunities from account. As you can see, it's separated according the status from the opportunity. The idea is to show you um, how this component must be reusable and scalable and with a nice performance. It's very common to see people um, doing what they need to do, but sometimes the performance is not so good as you expect. Or that's not so scalable as you expect. And today we talk a little bit about that. This project will be divided in 3 videos. Today we talk about the architecture. We have another one to show how implement the back-end component. The last one will be how to implement the front-end component. So let's talk about the architecture. Okay. Here is my target. As you can see here, we have a parent size card that one that you saw. We use integration procedure as a data source and a data have to extract to retrieve data in org. This data retrieved for integration procedure will, will be passed from a child flex card. Okay, so let me explain what I did here. I get very simple that have to extract, very basic, you know, at opportunity. Review as the content ID. So we have all the opportunities from the account ID. Why to do that in a data have to abstract? Okay. First of all, according best practice, I needed to retrieve data for just one single object. So to abstract is a better choice, is much better performance. You know, Some people would imagine to implement that have to extract with and pass stage name as a parameter. But look, imagine that we had possibility to have a 20, 30 different stage names. So it means that we needed to perform 30 queries. And many of them will be just unusual, not be used. Imagine that if the opportunity to have everything, all opportunities with the same stage name, all 29 would be for nothing. So what I did, it's retrieve all opportunities from this count. You know, I do not distinct by stage name here. This job will be performed by integration procedure. Another point, uh, it will make this approach will make this data raptor to be reusable. You know? Imagine if I had already been done and something, I can just use it. Everything that I just need to care if I have all fields feeded in the old data raptor. I can make new one, no problem. Okay, so all data, all record opportunities from this account will be here for data raptor. So let's talk about integration procedure. Here I have the data raptor. As here. So if my data raptor return any opportunity, will face. I have this not. I just return an empty list. Okay. Here, can show better. I pass the contain D. And here we go. I have object with a stage name and opportunity with the same stage name, of course. Here the same, propose a quiet code, and here all of them closed one, and stage name closed one. Here the same. So this integration procedure separated this opportunity according to stage name. Let's see how it was done. Here is the secret. This list action, you know, if this list action had inputs this JSON from data raptor, and I filter just the stage name. All with everything that I need is stage name parameters, and I image field stage name too. So let me show how it works. So this is output from that list action. In fact, what I have here It's a list with all stage names that I had in the opportunities connect from these accounts. Okay, that's get ID from Acme. I have just two different stage names. Let's go. See, I have a list, but two stage names. Here is the secret. I mean, um, if I decided to create another pick list value for stage name and give this value from another opportunity, when you have this integration procedure, the new stage name will be here. So it means that's scalable. If a stage name to be created, it would not be necessary go back here and change nothing. It will work automatically. It's totally dynamic, right? Another point about performance. I will have my list will have I think just what I need. If I have 30 different stage names, well, I will have 30 items on this. Hey, what can we do? But my um, account will have all opportunities with the same stage name. I think he will be just one, you know. So it means that I always have the best performance. I will always have uh, uh, just items in the list that I need to use. Okay, and it's happened dynamically. I don't need to change nothing in the future. Okay, so what I have here? Here I have a loop block. Loop this loop block uh, having this array as an input. Okay, and here I will filter opportunities from this data wrapper, all these opportunities with the stage name from the item from list. So on the first step, you have all opportunities with that stage name and all opportunities with that stage name. So I have name from stage name and all opportunities with that stage name. Then this data will be returned from this integration procedure. No, so the key is that component. You know, a single component let me uh, make my developer scalable and performatic. Okay. And here it's my front end component, the text card. If I have no data in Portuguese, that means that there is no opportunity in this account. Okay. And if I have data, I have this model here. You know, I have a block, and the title of the block could be the stage name, and I will pass this data, this opportunity node from a child flex card, who will show a table with all opportunities. Yeah, let's see the data model. This this node feed the name of the block, and this array opportunities will be sent from a child flex card, who will send from a data table. This one. So in the end, you have a component like that. You know, block with a title and a child flex card with a data table. Okay, that's what I want to show for today. In the next two videos, I will explain with more details how to implement those components, integration procedure, data raptor, flex cards, and so on. Well, I'd like to ask you guys, if you like the content, if I help you in something, if you can bring some your point of view, if your knowledge, press like in the button. It's nice for who produce video to understand that our working it's can help you in some way. Be free to comment here on YouTube, on my LinkedIn. Link will be on the description. Okay, so let's see each other on the next videos. Okay, see you. Bye bye.